Forget the AI hype. Here's what actually works in dental. AI is not about replacing human connections. It is about making that connection better. The breakthrough is combining AI with empathy, creating what researchers call the caring machine. Here are the 4 AI applications moving the needle today. 1. AI analyzes the sentiment in calls, emails, and reviews. Then it triggers the right response for each emotional state. 2. Predicting the patient journey. Predicting when patients need a specific service at the right time. 3. Dynamic content personalization. Your website, emails, social media will automatically adjust to the patient behavior. 4. Intelligent call routing. Patients connect with the right team member depending upon their emotional needs. Patients know when they're talking to a machine, but they love when technology can make human interaction more personable. And if you want to download the whole article that we wrote, you can find it on our website at newparadigm.com/Sleep Academy, or you can download it right from here.